Onions with J. Smith. What are you doing today?
Onions. We're going to have onions. We're going to make the best omelette Vivian has ever tasted. Oh!
We can see.
Cut. Start again. Okay. I'll certainly need one of these, like this. Not too high heat yet, because we're going to start cooking the pancetta. Smells lovely.
What is it?
Pancetta, Spanish or Italian in this case, which is like smoky bacon, you know?
Okay.
Smoky bacon.
What was the smile? Wait, okay. What? Do again the smile?
No, thank you.
Please.
No. I'll charge. Bin's full. Okay, so obviously we're going to fry them up, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we'll leave that for a minute. Now we're just going to, I'll chop the onion in a minute, I'm just going to do the eggs. So 4 eggs. 4 eggs for V.
6 eggs, Josh.
6 eggs for Josh. Okay, so a bit of salt. Pepper.
Oregano. Oregano. You turn your room on, the light of your room? Okay. You want to do something?
Okay, so whisk the eggs. I'll do mine in a minute.
What do you do?
So just frying the pancetta. Now the onion.
Cover pancetta.
Now just slice the onion.
The fingers.
And the fingers.
The professional, you can see. Put together with the
Oh, I did it wrong.
bread.
Did it wrong. Did it wrong. Should be in there.
Ah, okay. He don't know how to do it. He's nervous because of the video.
Doesn't matter.
To be fair, it's anyway.
It's okay. So I turn mine off here. Do mine now.
You slice the cheese now.
Slicing the cheese.
That's nice. Let me open that. I don't want to hurt the woman. Say hello.
Bonjour.
Look.
Comment t'appelles-tu? Please. Yummy. Okay, then just lastly, some ham. Okay, I'll take that. And then just chop. Into squares. And then that's done.
That's not here again.
Right in here, this is good.
This time is right.
This is right. I mean, how I've done it is right. When I used to have it at work, it was the same. The chef used to put it all into one, and then they would just cook it on the plate. But you can fry onion before because it just cooks it out a bit better. But it's okay. So that's ready to go. So now we can just add a bit of oil in a second. Add a tiny bit, not much, just to add to the thing. And then we add to here. Just move the oil around the pan so it doesn't stick to the edges around here. Then you keep the pan on there for a minute. Keep it on. Just turn it in so it's all mixed in. Okay. So that's good to go. And then into the pan we go. Turn it up a bit warmer so it's nice and hot.
Oh my god. Food for a week. Right?
A lot of food. Okay. And then now we get this and just spread it out. That's what I got it. Oregano. Messy floor. Messy kitchen, bad chef. And then we just leave it there for a minute. The grill is on.
Yes.
So that's all good to go.
And now we go to the oven.
Not yet.
The grill.
The grill. Not yet.
No. The bean. Forget the tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Oh, that'll still be good. You'll still like this video.
Oh, I'm sure. I love it.
Just need some salt.
Get mine, please.
Yeah.
I can't. Thank you. I don't know why you put there. No, Josh.
Huh? You want it down here?
Yes, thank you. I can reach there.
You just put it into the oven like that, and then leave that for a minute. Okay, my turn to make my omelette. Bonjour.
I'm afraid of this smile.
Weird smile.
Weird. Crazy person do this smile.
Okay, so next.
Now it's without cheese.
Now without cheese. A real omelette.
No,
No, I'm joking.
you're always joking.
Always joking.
You can put toppings in the omelette.
So I'm just gonna get.
What is it?
Parsnip.
Parsley?
Parsnip.
Parsnip?
Let's crack the eggs into here. 5 eggs.
Was not 6?
No, we'll do 5. Oh, we'll do 6. Let's have 6 eggs, people.
Not 5 anymore. 3.
So 4 whole eggs, and now we're just going to do 2 egg whites. So we just do this, and just take the white bit, and then that's it. Throw that away.
It's good.
Yeah. 4. Come on. No. There you go. That goes in here. Eggs finito. Okay, and now we turn on.
Now it's... Why you don't put in the other?
No, because yours will come back out. It's looking good, if I don't mind saying so myself. Okay, so now just chop the parsnip like this.
More 10 minutes. Don't know why it stopped, but I have more 10 minutes. You continue cutting with parsnip. These omelettes for healthy people. Not as mine.
No, yours is still healthy. Okay, cut the onion. Not my finger. Onion done. Some ham. Vivian's ham. I eat all of it.
Yeah.
No, I don't eat all of
No,
it.
you can eat.
Huh?
You can eat.
Okay, you have mine there.
Problem.
Same again. Just turn it into cubes. Done. What?
Inside the pan, Josh. Put everything here.
Put the parsnip.
Inside. And the bacon.
Yeah.
How is the name of the bacon?
Parsnip. And the pancetta.
Pancetta.
Pan off.
Pan off. Looks good.
Getting there. Quite a lot more cooking to go. Okay, so we give this a nice turn now. What?
Messy, Josh.
What we eat.
It's good. Leave that, Josh. You put more dirty until we finish.
Just mix it all in. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Lovely jubbly.
Crazy, Joshy.
Crazy J. Salt. Bit of seasoning, as we say in Britain.
What?
Seasoning.
What is it?
This is the seasoning. Salt and pepper we call seasoning.
Oh, okay.
Okay, darling.
Oregano. Oregano. For Brazilian people, oregano.
Brazilian people. And the famous chili.
Oh my god.
We like chili, don't we? Nice and spicy for the flavour flav. Bit more chili, you know.
This girl is on fire. This will be your song.
Okay. Done. Just do what I did last time. There you go. Let it get warm for a bit. Keep that. Done. Okay, so Vivian's is getting there now. So now all we need to do is this.
All we need is love. All
Put mine in.
is love.
It's a very big omelette
For fat people
for fat people.
that think they are natural and healthy.
But not really.
I'm just missing the cheese there, but okay.
Okay, now Vivian's we just push down.
The oven again.
Back into the oven.
And back to the chef. Clumsy chef.
Clumsy chef.
Chef. Clumsy chef.
Okay,
He's learning so well with me.
indeed I am. The good thing about a good chef is that they're always clean. Something that Vivian's still learning, but that's okay, you can't be perfect, no one's perfect. Apart from Josh, but that's cool. That's life. People have to, no, I'm joking, obviously.
The best part is you. No, I'm joking. Like I regret of everything that I said
Everything
before.
that I say is a joke. Whoa.
Don't forget in the oven. The fire again. Fire, fire. Beep, beep. Fire, fire. For who understand this? Josh? Fire, fire. Beep, beep, beep. You turn this off?
Huh?
You turn this off?
No.
No.
Nearly ready. Come and get a close up. The omelette is getting there. So that's before and after. So just make sure the moisture is out. Do the edges.
Crazy J.
It's okay, V.
It's getting ready.
Nearly ready. Nearly ready. Nearly ready. Sorry, V. Omelette me up.
Snapshot.
Snapchat. Vivian's is now ready to go.